another shipment.
How much do you want?
20 pounds. What's the price tag for that?
50 grand.
I can't go that high. How about 35?
45.
40?
That'll work.
Okay. What's my time?
Meet me 48 hours in the warehouse.
Okay. Sounds good.
I got your Coke.
Yeah, there's a little problem with that.
What problem are you talking about?
I came up short with money.
How can you come up short with my money?
Oh. You know, just because you did this, know that we never fade away.
Let's see about that.
How you doing, son?
Good.
You know what happened to you?
I went to the warehouse and apparently we have a loose end now that we have to
Who did it to you?
cut off. Mr. Zunicki.
We're gonna take it to him where it hurts. No one harms my people without a cost. You understand?
Yes, I did.
Now they say you can be discharged. Let's get planning.
Alright.
Already here, we've got a schedule.
Alright.
It should be an easy takeout.
Alright. Well,
Let's go.
let's get to it.
Go. The mission is clear. We take him out quick and get out of here. This looks like the place.
Okay, let's do it.
Remember the plan. I'll take the first shot. You finish him. Let's do this. Well in range. That was just a warning. Here comes the real thing.
I've been waiting for this ever since the warehouse. Hey, you. Wake up.
What?
Like I told you, we never fade away.